Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're out here and we're going to be doing some fishing for probably some gills and a little bit of largemouth fishing. Join me and brother and old man on our fishing today. We're going to be giving this new boat a little send and we're going to see if we can catch some fish out of it. Brand new 1436 Ranger boat. Nice little John boat. We got a nice motor on here, it's me. But we're gonna send it and catch a couple. That was 3 seconds in. Oh my gosh. This rock pile must be honey.
Dude, that was 3 seconds in.
How far out did you get that thing?
I literally threw it right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Not even any farther?
No. First fish, guy! First cast, dog! Yep.
He'll eat.
I wish that you could move the paddles back a little bit so that if like the person in the middle's fishing, you can still have someone be paddling, you know?
I just want to catch one and then I'll move us, but.
We'll get one.
Hooked up with a big one.
There you go, bud. That is a decent one. Yeah.
That's a nice fish.
Got nice color to it as well.
Dude, the thing's got a forehead. Look at the bump on it.
I think it just has a receding hairline.
I think it's a donkey. There it is.
Nice, bud.
Goodness.
Nice.
Throw it at this rock pile, I'm telling you, man.
Right next to the boat.
It's another good one.
Nice, brother. That's when you catch them far away so you can have a nice reel in.
Oh yeah, for sure. Heads up. I won't hit you, but the ice might.
Unless he gets a good flop.
There's a good rock pile just in there. I would think so. Well, that's probably a goner. Well, I guess my bait's a goner. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
State record?
That's a Randy Price fish right there. Oh yeah, if I don't catch one right there, Dad.
That's money. Need to get power poles on this John boat.
What's that?
They just shoot down and hold you in place so you don't have to ever use an anchor.
Damn, man, I need to cast over there.
That's a big boy. Nice. That's a solid fish.
Freaking donkey.
If you want to slide the bucket forward.
That actually works a lot better. At least more fishing. I don't think we'll while you're casting.
I don't know. Thought it was supposed to be sunny. I don't think it's cloudy. It's just. Oh, there's one. Let's go over to that rock pile. I think that's where they're all hiding at.
Can we get that off for you while you move us?
Sure. Well, I get the anchor at least.
He got himself off.
Well, will you hook mine back up?
Yep.
got him. Get it? Oh yeah. Oh, you lost your bobber.
Oh yeah, bud.
What's your thing?
I can barely even hold it in my hand.
It's a 9 or 10 inch.
In a pound.
I mean, it could be a pound. The wind is really, really good for moving bass baits. There's a fish. Not sure if it's big yet. Oh yeah, he's got a little pull in him. Oh, that's a nice one. Real nice fish right there. How about one of them bees moss?
Ethan looks like we found the honey hole.
Just lost another one. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Yes!
Yeah, bud.
This is a donkey. Oh my gosh.
Wow. That's a bluegill right there, bub.
Oh my gosh. Is that going on the wall?
That could go on the wall. I would definitely.
That is a beast.
I'd definitely put that on the wall.
12 inches it'll go on the wall, but I think it's probably a 10 or 11. I've never had a bluegill pull so hard in my life. Oh my goodness, look at that. This thing's over a pound easily. Probably like pound 2, pound 4.
I think it didn't know how to do that.
There it is. There he is. Last fish. Last bluegill. Boom! Look at that cooler, filling her up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of slaying the bluegill. We'll be back out here again. I hope you guys can stay tuned, stick with the channel, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on another Upstream Outdoors. Thanks for watching this bluegill insanity. Peace, y'all.